Good evening, guys. Tonight I'm gonna just show you my deck, my daily experience gainer, and then we'll get on to a trade that we could have took just some days ago. I'm gonna break it down to you so you can understand like the basic points to get a trade. So on the daily chart we have our recent high and low, um, the high lined. Then we get down to the 4-hour charts. Okay, we see we had a strong move here from the daily low. So we absolutely want to track this all the way up here. This was a quick movement in price. Okay. Then we get down to the 1 hour. Get the weekly low and weekly high. The weekly low is this one still. Yes. No doubt. And the weekly high absolutely remains this one. Weekly high has been made on like a Monday and never touched again, really. But it's perfectly fine, Real good, actually. So that's perfect. Okay, then we get down to the 50-minute time frame, get daily high and daily low. So daily high and low. What are those? Well, the daily low is just this one. Right about here. The open was the daily low, the midnight open. Absolutely okay. Yeah. Right into this daily low, and then up here was these are pretty similar to yesterday's daily high and low. Okay, this yesterday was like this. We really reacted to this level. That's why it is useful, to do this because it gets you experience. So you know that the daily high is an important level. Why was this? Because we had you know nearly equal highs, so that they have been swept. Took the buy side liquidity up here. This was a liquidity sweep with this candles here, okay, and it was buy side liquidity. So yeah, what you wanted to do to look to solid shorts, because the day was bearish overall. You maybe wanted to like from up here reach to like these levels, this fair value gap, okay. So this fair value gap, which could be just this one. This is exactly where we got at. You see, that's the power. By the way, now I'm gonna show you the trade that we took. Okay, so let's go. It was here on the GBP USD, which is really an asset that I love. So I took it a few days ago. Um, so on Tuesday. No, really, we took it on Wednesday, but we did the analysis on Tuesday. So on Tuesday we were looking to reach. So I'm gonna do this so you don't see the movement that comes then we just don't care about. um, we're gonna see it after. So we just get, so we were looking to reach this high right here, this, because we were bullish and we were looking to reach this high, absolutely this high on the daily. Okay, so what levels were we looking at? Okay, we're looking at this structure right here that had been created. So it had these two equal highs, these two equal lows. Perfect. So we get the structure on the 1 hour, we go down to the 50-minute time frame and look at it. So as we said, we want to trade only from 8:30 in the morning. So all this we could not trade it because it was night. Okay, but then we see that structure gets manipulated down there. This lays, so you see it sweeps the lows. This is manipulation, absolutely. This here is manipulation. So structures get manipulated, it goes higher, reacts a bit to this level, but then we see it breaking, creating a clear, really clear fair value gap. This one, a really clear fair value gap. Okay, so we might want to get down to 1 minute and look at this. This fair value gap got created. Really shortly after it got created, we touch it again, and that's when we enter long. That's when we enter our long position here. So where do we want to put our stop loss? Our stop loss might be just below this fair value gap, because there are these lows, or if you want to make it large, you can put it here. I would put it below the fair value gap. What would our target be? This that we said is the high we're looking to take. This one up here, so that's gonna be our target. And look at it, how magnificent it is. Now can take the black out. Look, just look. 13.63 error ratio, just a perfect trade. See, if you risked 1% on this, you would have made 13.73, let's say commission, 13.5%. So if you like at a $10,000 account, you were risking 100, you would have made $1,350 or euros, depends on what you're trading with. So this was our trade that we were looking at. I hope you understood. I hope this video got well. So write me in the comments if you want to see anything else. I'll bring up a new video tomorrow.